How to turn off or delete the trending searches in Google. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. For that you need to open your Google Chrome. Make sure you have signed in, and if there is any trending searches and you want to turn it off, then what you can simply do is, now when you scroll down you will see the very option of settings. Just tap on the setting option. Now tap on the search setting option. Now from here tap on the very other setting option. Scroll a bit down, and here you will see the autocomplete with trending searches. When you turn the toggle off, the trending searches will not be visible. When you turn it on, the trending searches will be turned on, which totally depends on if you want to see it or not. Just tap on the setting option, search setting option, other setting option again, and turn it on if you want to see it. Also autoplay videos, and the dark theme is off. And if you just play this off as well and turn it to the Wi-Fi, then the trending searches will be on, and if you toggle it off, then the trending searches will be on, will not be shown on your Google. That's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.